Just completed the basic long block on this build for Peter Hertz. It's a 67 Oldsmobile 400 E-block with 65 A-heads. 937 VAM lifters, solid roller, hydraulic roller cam. Heads are stock, all new valves, springs. CP pistons, scat rods, standard steel crank, everything's balanced. A lot of cleanup. Took a die grinder. I was able to make a valley for a piece of 18 gauge metal to sit on each side to prevent the intake from burning, because he's not going to be running a choke anyway, so there's no reason for the exhaust to travel back and forth. Doing it for Dale, hell yeah, brothers. One week before the Nationals. Dr. Dan's Racing signing out.